Hi, and welcome to another JobPro tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the new change order process as well as cover some important updates to the workflow that will help you make adjustments more efficiently. This new change order process is optional and can be turned on for your organization by the support team. Let's start by looking at where to access change orders. You'll notice that the change order button is no longer in its previous spot. Instead, you'll find it in the new Actions drop-down menu in the header section of the job page. Simply click Actions and select Add Change Order to begin. This new location keeps job-related functions in one place, making it easier to access everything you need. With the new change order process, all billable items from the job are automatically added to the change order. This means you'll have a full list of the job's components ready for editing, updating, or removal. From here, you can edit individual items, swap items if replacements are needed, delete items that no longer apply, and add any additional items needed. This flexibility makes it easier to adjust details quickly, so you can keep your work order accurate and up to date. When you finalize your change order, all the changes are recorded directly on the original work order instead of having the option to create a new one. This helps keep a consistent and clear record of all modifications in one place. Even if a job is already complete, you can still create a change order. However, in this case, it will follow the previous change order process, which finalizes to a new work order. This ensures that any updates made after job completion remain separate from the original work, allowing for clear tracking. If you need to make changes to an existing change order, you'll need to unfinalize them in reverse order, starting with the most recent. This keeps the order of modifications accurate and ensures that each adjustment flows correctly through the system. After unfinalizing and making your adjustments, the latest change order, you can continue with any previous change orders in sequence, always working backwards. And that's it. You're ready to create and manage change orders with the updated process. We hope this new setup makes it easier for you to handle job adjustments and maintain accurate, organized records. If you're interested in turning on this new change order process for your organization, reach out to JobPro's support team today.